Hello, my name is Lisa Jones and I work for Shropshire Council. Since mid-March, I've been redeployed into our newly formed Community Reassurance team, the CRT, as a team leader. The current pandemic has presented some unimaginable challenges, economically and in terms of our health and care systems, and ultimately on people's lives. The CRT was formed to support people living in our rural county from both a practical perspective, linking individuals with the delivery of food, prescriptions and other essential items, and also in terms of the psychological impact of COVID-19 and the very real side effects of being socially isolated. As a council, we have been responding to requests for support via our helpline, with the more complex referrals coming through to the CRT to resolve. In addition, thousands of proactive outbound calls have been made to check in with the most vulnerable residents and ensure that they are managing. Running alongside these requests, the CRT developed a directory of support which mapped out what the voluntary and community sector were offering and how businesses have adapted. All I can say is that we've been overwhelmed by the local response and have been able to match people to suitable sources of support in almost every instance.
The Outdoor Partnership team, with colleagues from Shire Services, Finance and HR, have all been working hard to ensure that the people who are most vulnerable during this pandemic are fed. We try and put a balanced diet in our parcels. We think about the 5 a day. It's a team effort. We all have our roles: drivers, packers, and people who are responsible for ensuring that all the food is here. We've delivered nearly 1,000 food parcels across all parts of Shropshire. We're all very proud to work for.
Hello, my name is Mirka Dexbury and I've been coordinating follow-up calls team who are contacting vulnerable people after they've received Shropshire Council emergency food parcels to check food and medication provision and give befriending support. I feel grateful to work as part of the CRT team and to hear first-hand feedback our work makes to individuals in the community. Seeing Shropshire Council teams and other organisations, private and public, and volunteers come together in such an authentic way to deliver common, committed outcomes to support communities is definitely something to take forward in our future work.
Hello, my name is Sean McCarthy and I'm the team leader for the Central Community Reassurance team. I have a team of people who support me with community reassurance work in the central area. This support is largely centred around ensuring vulnerable and shielded people can get food and have access to prescriptions and medicines that they require, and they can't go out and get these.
Hello, I'm Phil Holden and I've been working as leader of the South West Community Reassurance team. I'd like to thank my redeployed team members who've been using their different skills and their knowledge of the county to deal with referrals and to liaise with the many community groups providing excellent support locally. Behind all the casework numbers and the directory listings are real important conversations which we've done almost entirely from our homes. Many of our referrals are for people needing food and essential supplies, but some people have much more complex needs, and the links with colleagues in other teams and council services have been vital. It's clear that the needs of vulnerable people continue, and others are now coming into hardship, so a longer-term council resource into supporting our communities is needed.
I feel that working in the CRT has provided many opportunities. We have been led by the demand and capacity of our communities and aim to support these connections. Internally, the experience has helped to create unity amongst council employees, where we've been able to reap the reward of our diverse range of skills and expertise. And going forward, I think it's a no-brainer to make more of these partnership opportunities in order to offer the very best services to our local residents.